So it says, which statement is true about the y-intercept of a quadratic function? So let's kind of remember what that means. So on a quadratic function, it looks like this. If I have my y-axis and I have my x-axis, so this is the y-axis, this is the x-axis, it usually looks something like this, some variation of this, right? And the y-intercept occurs right here when x equals 0. So we got 0, comma, whatever the y value is. Now it says, A says it can only have one y-intercept. Do you guys agree with that? It can have two x-intercepts, but how many y-intercepts can it have? It can only have one. So that's it. Now, it can't have two y-intercepts because, as you can see, like, even if I shift this a little bit to the left, or I shift it a little bit to the right, no matter what, because the domain is all real numbers, it's always just going to cross just once, okay? So I can't have two, so this one's wrong. I'm pretty sure A is the only answer. It says the y-intercept is also called the zero of the function. No, that's the x-intercept. And the y-intercept occurs when the y value is 0. Nope, that's the x value. So A is the correct answer. Does that make sense? So I'll leave